Hey, Freddy, what are you doing? Freddy, get out of my beer. What? No, 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 no. What are you doing drinking my beer? Get out of my beer, young man. You're not old enough. You are not old enough to drink my beer. No! That's my beer. No. Freddy, no. You gotta be 21. No. Drop it.